we're now on room tour number 2. Right, so this is our room at the Rosen on Palm Parkway. So we've got a nice chair that we can sit in. As you can probably hear, it's very noisy when the door's open, but if you close the door, it's certainly, you can't hear anything now, so that's good. We've got a nice air conditioning unit, a nice view out of our window, a nice picture on the wall. We've got 2 very nice big beds, which is lovely. Unfortunately, Scoobies have already got hold of one. They'll need to vacate that one. So we've got a nice mirror, a chair, big TV. Looks like we've got lots of storage as well. So loads of 4 big drawers. And we've also got a big wardrobe as well, which is great. Like lots of storage. We've got a phone. We've got a alarm clock with lots of USB ports, which is fabulous. We've got a safe. So yeah, it's very nice. It's just what we want. Just nice and comfortable. Got a husband hiding in the bathroom. So we've got a nice coffee maker, which is Rob's domain and not mine. I'm on holiday. Coffee will be brought to me. We have a microwave and a fridge. And then we've got a nice utility area. And hairdryer for me, which is great. Rob has no hair, so he doesn't need one. And then just the basic, you know, we've got the toilet. And we have a nice shower area as well, and you could probably have a bath in this as well. It's quite deep in there. So this is our home for the next 18 nights. Oh, nearly missed it. We've got an iron and an ironing board that I can assure you will not be used on this holiday. So that's it. This is our home away from home for the next 18 nighs. So I hope you enjoyed our little room tour, and we will see you soon on our journey.
Yeah, we'll add that to the resort.